Hello guys, let me show you something. This is a particular type of YouTube channel which is making 3.9k to $61,000 every single month, and this is really insane because this is not a channel which has millions of subscribers, but still it is making all this awesome money. Now, how you can open this type of YouTube channel and how you can start making money just by using the power of YouTube and make money just like this, okay? And this is something which I'm gonna cover in this video, so keep watching this video till the end so you understand the entire strategy, how you can get all this money directly coming to your bank account every single month. Okay, so now you can see I'm gonna reveal to you which is the channel, but before that let's see. So you can see it's probably getting almost 50,000 views every single day. That are millions of views, and the channel name is Animal Facts. Now let me show you what type of very simple content they are making. They are probably not showing their face onto this videos, but still they are making this type of content and making a ton of money with it. Okay, so now let's go, and you can see this is that channel which is known as Animal Facts, and they are creating this very simple videos about 10 puppy facts. Okay, facts about red terrier dogs, 10 things you did not know about kittens. Okay, so penguin facts, and all this really simple animal fact videos, and you can see they are getting a ton of views just by doing this and creating this very simple videos. Because let me sort by popular and let me show you what their most incredible videos, how their most popular videos are performing, and you will be really surprised to see that their most popular videos are getting 2.5 million views, 1.1 million views, 900,000 views, 800,000 views. That's really insane and that's really crazy. And the thing about this is that with this type of YouTube channels, you can make a ton of affiliate income, as you can recommend a ton of affiliate products which are related to dog niche. You can promote clickbank products which are related to pets and all that other niches, or you can promote Amazon products which are related to dogs, and you can grab a lot of brand sponsorships with this type of videos. Okay, so but this is the reason why I'm telling you to make a channel just like this, because even though this channel has very less subscriber, but still it is making a really big money with this small YouTube channel. Okay, so now how they are making all this money with this really not so big YouTube channel, but still they are getting millions of views with this YouTube channel. Okay, so what type of content they are making? Their content is really simple. They are having some stock images of dogs of different breeds, as well as they are having some stock videos of the particular dog breeds. For example, there will be some stock images of this dog, okay, which is golden retriever, and there will be some stock images of this Labrador. Okay, and what they are doing is that they are just comparing this to dogs, and which is better and which is not. Okay, so there can be really a very huge scope for content, because there is a ton of content just like this which you will find on the internet, but I'm going to show you specific places from where you can find all this type of content. All you need to do is just read that content and narrate that content for the video. Okay, that's really simple. You don't need to make anything, you don't need to write anything by yourself. I'm gonna show you two places from where you can find the content for this type of videos, and you just have to go to pexels.com or pixelbay.com, and you just have to find all this very simple dog related stock videos, or dog related stock images. You can find all those. Okay, and there is very simple video editing, and they are having a voiceover which you can directly narrate. Okay, and now I'm going to show you where you will find content for creating this type of videos. Okay, so the first website where you can find content about this type of videos is over here. This is known as plrplr.com, And once you go to over here, you can find a lot of content related to cats. You can find a ton of content which is related to dogs. Okay, so this is a private label right website, so you can just directly use this articles. Okay, there won't be any copyright problem. Okay, so you can make a video on this topic, which is general history of dogs. Then you can make a video on this topic. You can make a video on this topic. You can make a video on this topic, on this topic, on this topic, and you can see there are this many content topics which are available for you, which are just plug and play. All you need to do is take these articles, narrate them, record your voiceover with this, and then just create a video. Okay, you can do this type of videos in any of the free video editing software, and the highest recommended software which I am personally using is Open Short Video Editor, which is available absolutely for free. So there are a ton of tutorials which are available on the internet, which will show you how to make this type of very simple videos. Okay, so that's not a big deal, because it may take you one day to learn how to make these videos, but that one day would be enough for you to make your videos. Okay, so because you don't have to write your content yourself, so you have got the extra time to make your to record your videos and to make this type of very simple videos. It may take half an hour to 1 hour to create these videos every single day. Okay, it's not a big amount of time, because you can just sit on the day, you can just spare half an hour every single day and make this type of very simple videos, because you don't have to create content. The another website where you will find all this content is known as ezinearticles.com. Okay, so you can see all this content is available for you. Okay, but the thing about this is that you just have to spin these articles. Okay, rewrite this article. I'm going to show you a tool from where you can rewrite this article. Just go to Google and search for article rewriter. Okay, and you can find a ton of options of article rewriter on Google. Now you can use this first link, okay, whichever appears over here. Now you can just paste all these articles in that, and it will rewrite those articles for you, and then you can narrate those articles into your videos as a voiceover. And that's really simple, and you can just do all this stuff really easily. Use pexels.com, use pixelaway.com to get some stock videos and stock images, and then you can start creating all this very simple content really very easily. Okay, and that's not at all very difficult. And if you really want this type of content, you can also find many of the pages on Instagram which are related to different dog breeds. Okay, so just go to Instagram and you can find a ton of people who are making videos regarding this different breeds of dogs. All you need to do is send them a message that I would like to use your videos, and I'm going to create a video on YouTube, and I would require your Instagram. Okay, let me show you some of the pages. So all you need to do is find some pages on Instagram which are related to dogs, and just DM that I would like to use your dog related videos into a video of my YouTube channel, and I will provide you the credits, and they will be happy to do so, and they will be happy to provide you with the video of that particular dog breed which you needed for your video. And this is how you are gonna get all these videos of different types of dogs absolutely for free, and then you can just mix those videos with some images, and then make this type of very simple videos and start uploading those videos to your YouTube channel, and you will always find a very great content on this website. This website gets updated every single day with new and new content, so you will never run out of content. So it depends on you how many videos or how much work you are willing to put in. If you are willing to put in the work, and if you are willing to just make more than 30 videos, then definitely your channel is gonna grow. You are gonna get 1000 subscribers, and you are also gonna get 4000 hours of watch time. But there is one more special bonus, that if you know any other language apart from English language, okay, that can be German, that can be French, that can be any other language, then you can also do what is that, make a channel just like this. Now you can use these articles, just paste them into Google Translate and translate those articles into different languages, and then you can make a channel in a different language, because maybe in English language there is a lot of competition on YouTube, but in other languages like Spanish, like German, like French, there is a less competition for this niche. So it could be a great chance for you to make some extra big money in a different language, and that's something which is really awesome and really big, because you can make a ton of money doing this in different languages, and in that way you won't have any copyright or any issues, because you are just using this content but translating it into a different language and then using it for your videos, and that can make you a ton more money. Okay, so this depends on you. If you are a bilingual person, then it could be a great benefit for you, but if you don't know other languages, you know English, then just use this article, spin them into article spinner, and then you just have to narrate those articles and make this type of very simple videos, which can be done really very easily. And there are a lot of tutorials on this stuff which are available on the internet, so just use those. Okay, and you can make a ton of money with this type of very simple YouTube niche idea. So if you got some value out of this video, press the like button, smash the subscribe button, as well as you can also follow me on Instagram. The link is there in the description. We'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay happy, stay subscribed, and thanks for watching.